Do you own an LG or Kenmore refrigerator? If you do, then you are part of a large community of consumers who value design and storage space. However, you might have heard some less than flattering things about these refrigerators, particularly that they don't last. But let's reveal a secret, shall we? The longevity of these refrigerators is largely dependent on maintenance, something often overlooked. So, what's the magic trick, you ask? It's simple, regular maintenance. The compressors, designed for energy efficiency, are not tolerant of high temperatures. They need to breathe. To help them do that, every 2 years, remove the back cover of your fridge and clean the condenser. You can use a blower or a can of compressed air to do this. This prevents overheating and lint accumulation that could clog the condenser. It's a little like giving your refrigerator a spa day. It will thank you by running smoothly and efficiently. There's also another little quirk, particularly on some units with a front digital display. Sometimes this display can lock up by either kids pressing buttons by mistake, or this will stop the compressor from functioning, indicated by a red light. If you see this, don't panic. It's simply asking you to unlock it. On other models, there's a reset button on the control board. It's a tiny black dot, not much to look at, but oh, so important. Press it and the system will run a diagnostic, testing everything from your evaporator fan to your compressor. If there's a problem, it will give you an error code indicating the faulty component. To summarize, the key to a long-lasting LG or Kenmore refrigerator is regular maintenance. Every 2 years, clean the condenser to prevent overheating. If the digital display locks, unlock it. And if there's an issue, press the reset button on the control board. Remember, a well-maintained refrigerator is a happy refrigerator, and a happy refrigerator keeps your food fresh and your energy bills low. Until next time, remember to subscribe and leave your comments below. Your feedback is always appreciated.